Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Vaibhav Roy. In this video we are going to study about conventions in drawing and lettering. What is lettering? The art of writing the titles and subtitles, dimensions, scales and other details on a drawing is known as a lettering. Okay, what is the importance of the lettering? Lettering is one of the most important part of the drawing. How much may be the drawing is accurate and neat and may be precisely perfect, its appearance is spoiled by a pure lettering. It is necessary to do lettering in clear, legible and uniform style. Use of instruments in lettering will consume a lot of time and hence freehand lettering must be practiced with speed. There are types of lettering depending on the thickness of the letters and inclination with the horizontal and the case. Okay, depending on the thickness of the letters, there are two types of lettering. There are single stroke lettering and Gothic or thick stroke lettering. A single stroke lettering represent that a letter should be written once or they should not be scribbled twice or thrice. It is the simplest form of letters or lettering. In single stroke lettering, the thickness of the letters must be uniform. The 2H pencil must be used to obtain a single stroke lettering. A Gothic lettering usually is a dark lettering used in ink drawing. Okay, depending on the inclination with the horizontal, the lettering are divided into two types. They are vertical and inclined. The vertical lettering are the lettering in which letters are inclined at 90 degrees to the horizontal. And the inclined lettering are the lettering in which the letters are inclined at 75 degrees to the horizontal. Now let's see about the size of the letters. Depending on the height and width ratio, the most of the letterings are done. For most of the letters, approximately the ratio of height and width is 5:3 should be maintained, except for M and W. The height and width ratio for M and W letters should be maintained 5:4. Okay, here is one of the example of the lettering. The guidelines should be drawn with the 2H pencil and the letters should be drawn with the HB pencil. The spacing between the letters must be approximately equal to the 1/5 of the height of the letters. And the spacing between the words in a sentence must be 3/5 of the height of the letters. That's it for this tutorial. In the next video, we will be studying about dimensioning. For all my videos, please visit my YouTube channel, that is www.youtube.com/VaibhavRoy. If you have any queries, comments or suggestions, please email me to vaibhavroy@engineer.com. Thank you for watching.